The bitter defamation battle of Hollywood has finally come to an end. American actor Johnny Depp has scored a win against his former wife Amber Heard. A jury has found both Amber Heard and Johnny Depp liable for defamation in the lawsuits against each other. Depp had sued Heard for $50 million. He had argued that she defamed him when she called herself a public figure representing domestic abuse. In a newspaper opinion piece, 36-year-old Heard had countersued for $100 million. The verdicts bring an end to a televised 6-week trial that has widely been watched. An intense libel trial involved bitterly contested allegations of sexual violence and domestic abuse. It featured graphic testimony detailing the former Hollywood couple's soured relationship. Now, after a 6-week trial, the jury has found that Depp and Heard had defamed each other. But the verdict weighed in far more strongly with the 58-year-old Depp. The jury found that Heard was defamed by statements made by Depp's lawyer. Adam Waldman Heard has been awarded $2 million in damages. The 7-member jury found that a 2018 article penned by Heard on the sexual violence she had suffered was defamatory to Depp, and that it was written with intent, making her guilty of libel. The jury has unanimously found Heard liable for all 3 counts of defamation against Depp. Depp has been awarded $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. Attorneys for Johnny Depp call the decision a triumph of truth and justice.
Hi, everyone. Today's verdict confirms what we have said from the beginning, that the claims against Johnny Depp are defamatory and unsupported by any evidence. We are grateful, so grateful to the jury for their careful deliberation, to the judge and the court staff who have devoted an enormous amount of time and resources towards this case.
Johnny Depp responded to the verdict, saying a jubilant Johnny Depp said that the jury gave him his life back by overwhelmingly taking his side. The 58-year-old Depp celebrated the split verdict in the case as a victory, while Heard said she was heartbroken. Moments after a verdict was reached in the lawsuit, Heard also posted a response on social media. In a statement, she called the decision a disappointment. The Aquaman actor said there was a mountain of evidence against Depp and feared the verdict could impact women worldwide. Johnny Depp's fans, meanwhile, celebrated the verdict outside a Virginia court.
Super happy. You know, I've been here since day one, and today marks the journey. I'm content that justice is finally going to be served for Johnny, and men can be victims too.
And our WION correspondent Susan Tharani has wrapped up the verdict for us in a report from New York. Listen in.
A Virginia jury ruled in favor of actor Johnny Depp in his case against Amber Heard, closing a widely watched and emotional trial focusing on defamation and abuse allegations between the former couple. The 7-member jury found that Depp proved all 3 counts of defamation against Amber Heard in an op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post back in 2018, awarding him $15 million. The jury also found that Heard was able to prove 1 count of defamation against Depp regarding statements made by his attorney to the media, awarding her $2 million. The trial, which started in April, garnered massive attention on social media, with many viewers watching in real time and drawing their own conclusions. Fans of Johnny Depp had earlier said he had won in the court of public opinion even before the verdict was called. Johnny Depp, for his part, said that he was quote-unquote humbled. Amber Heard said she was quote-unquote heartbroken. Fans of Johnny Depp were seen outside of the courtroom cheering the verdict. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.